Hello and welcome. I'm George, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this exciting journey into the world of event management. With my background in international event management, I've had the privilege of creating memorable experiences for diverse audiences. In this course, Event Management for Beginners, Crafting Unforgettable Experiences, we'll dive into the essential skills and knowledge you need to plan and execute successful events of all kinds. Whether you dream of planning weddings, organizing conferences, or creating community festivals, I'll share with you the tips, tricks, and best practices I've learned throughout my career. Together, we'll explore the entire event lifecycle, from conceptualizing your vision to evaluating your success. We'll delve into the intricacies of budgeting, venue selection, vendor management, marketing, logistics, and everything in between. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with a comprehensive toolkit and the confidence to create events that not only meet but exceed expectations. So, get ready to unleash your creativity, hone your organizational skills, and embark on a fulfilling career in the dynamic world of event management. Let's get started.